Good afternoon and welcome to our virtual plot tour here in Archie, Missouri. I am Rachel Hyman, FSR in Western Missouri, and in the background you can see Tyler Anderson and his dad Patrick Anderson and his uncle John Anderson. We are super excited to be here today. Today is Tuesday, October 6th, and we are going to showcase to you some of our DeKalb products here within this plot. This is a marginal upland acre plot just outside of Archie, planted on May 18th. This plot has a population of 32,000. Please stay tuned as we harvest our DeKalb plot with our Climate Field View platform and later analyze our harvest results. This product here we are harvesting is Pioneer 0075. The product we are harvesting here is DeKalb 5120 Red Brand Blend. The product we are harvesting here is DeKalb 5125 Red Brand Blend. The product we are harvesting here is DeKalb 5199. The product we are harvesting is DKC 5327 Red Brand Blend. The product here we are harvesting is DeKalb 5465 Red Brand Blend. The product we are harvesting here is DeKalb 5585 Red Brand Blend. The product we are harvesting here is DeKalb 5615 Red Brand Blend. The product we are harvesting here is DeKalb 5835 Red Brand Blend. The number we are harvesting here is DeKalb 5982 Red Brand Blend. The product we are harvesting here is Pioneer 1077. The product we are harvesting here is DeKalb 6080 Red Brand Blend. The product we are harvesting here is DeKalb 6088 Red Brand Blend. The product we are harvesting here is Pioneer 1138. The product we are harvesting here is DeKalb 6253 Red Brand Blend. The product we are harvesting here is DeKalb 6289 Red Brand Blend. The product we are harvesting here is DeKalb 6357 Red Brand Blend. The number we are harvesting here is DeKalb 6391 Red Brand Blend. The number we are harvesting here is DeKalb 6425 Red Brand Blend. The product we are harvesting here is DeKalb 6435 Red Brand Blend. The product we are harvesting here is DeKalb 6465 Red Brand Blend. The product we are harvesting here is DeKalb 6595 Red Brand Blend. The product we are harvesting here is DeKalb 6618 Red Brand Blend. The product we are harvesting here is DeKalb 6744 Red Brand Blend. The product we are harvesting here is DeKalb 6794 Red Brand Blend. The product we are harvesting here is Pioneer 1847. The product we are harvesting here is DeKalb 6999 Red Brand Blend. The last number we're harvesting in this plot is DeKalb 7027 Red Brand Blend. The results are in, and as you can see, this was a phenomenal plot to showcase our DeKalb products in Archie, Missouri. Before walking you through the results, I wanted to share with you the Climate Field View planting map. As you can see, it painted each hybrid in a different color, starting with Pioneer 0075 and ending with DeKalb 7027. If you wanted to, you could also view the planting population rate map as well. I also wanted to showcase our harvest map with climate and the legend on the right-hand side showing the yield by variation and the color. The plot winner of this Archie plot was DeKalb 6289 at 196 bushels to the acre. The plot average was 164 bushels to the acre. All of this was presented through our Climate Field View platform. Each year, every plot has its own story, and we know that when we evaluate our data, it's best to look at multiple years, multiple sites, soil types, and geography to determine the best placement for our products. The top 3 products in this plot were DeKalb 6289 at 196 bushels to the acre, DeKalb 6744 at 191 bushels to the acre, and DeKalb 6253 at 181 bushels to the acre. Please make sure that as you're looking at harvest results, along with other plots and data in your area, you are working alongside your local DeKalb and Asgrow dealer and FSR to determine the best package of products that makes sense for your farm and your acres. Thank you for taking the time to watch our Harvest Virtual Plot Tour video. As you can see, we harvested the DeKalb plot here in Archie, Missouri on a marginal upland acre. Everything from 100 to 120 day corn. I hope you enjoyed watching our video and stay tuned for more harvest videos coming soon.